Hi, my name is Allie, and I wanted to talk about messenger bots for entrepreneurs. I wanted to share my experience taking the course and also working with Nico. I actually had created a Facebook ads course for a very niche market of female fashion retailers. And when I saw chatbots come out, I knew they were going to be huge for my audience because they primarily sell on Facebook. I did a product launch, I did a free 5-day training, and at the end I pitched my product with the new modules, and I made between $3,000 and $4,000, and that was the biggest month I had had so far. So it was pretty phenomenal. So I replicated the process. I did the same thing the following month with a different type of 5-day training, and I only had a few people sign up, and I thought that was really interesting. So I posted an ultimate marketing package with putting together their Facebook ad and messenger bot for them, and I sold about 4 and I made over $4,000. I had already been using chatbots, and Nico's course gave me this foundation that I didn't really have before and outlined it in a way that allowed me to conceptualize it for myself in my business and also be able to articulate that to my audience, because up until that point I didn't really know how to explain chatbots, and after taking his course I found it a lot easier. So I definitely recommend his course. It's gold. It will make you gold. And yeah, I love working with him in general. He puts so much value in both his free and paid student groups. So I feel like the private group alone is worth the price of the course, because I've gotten so many ideas and so much help and feedback in there in just the short amount of time I've been in there. And it's helped me in my business, and everything I've learned I've been able to monetize, and I think that's also incredibly valuable. So I highly recommend taking his course. It was game-changing for me, and I feel like it's going to be game-changing for a lot of people. Nico is always providing value, so that alone is just worth signing up and learning. It's by far one of the most valuable groups that I'm in and one of the best courses I've taken, so I definitely recommend it.